Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. It's been a while. It's been several months. So I wanted to give you guys a health update. I thought about doing a rock cutting video this week, but because week of Halloween we've been really busy and I just haven't done it. I do want to get some rock cutting videos up over the next several weeks. So look forward at least to those. So where am I at with my health? So I do apologize, I haven't really interacted with anybody on the channel. I haven't left comments, I haven't responded to comments, I haven't made any videos, and some of you maybe have been wondering what's going on, how's he doing? I'm doing okay. I did go through some depression with everything going on, and after my last video that I posted that you guys saw, it got pretty rough. So, long story short, the doctors tried a few different medications, and I'm to a point where I'm doing better now, and I've kind of stabilized. I'm doing better. Most days I go fairly pain-free, mostly because I don't do the things that normally irritate it. So I can't do a lot of talking, can't do a lot of physical exertion and some other things. So I'm doing pretty well. I'm also doing a lot better with the depression I've been feeling and not being able to go do the things I want to be doing and not being able to work the job I came here to do. But they still don't know what's going on. So they've done a bunch of testing. Thankfully, they've gone through all the testing they could think of anything that might be life-threatening. So very little chance that what's going on is actually life-threatening right now. But it's still affecting me physically, and it makes it very difficult to kind of live normally. They think they know what's going on, though, now. Both the doctor and a surgeon that I'm meeting up with soon to try and figure things out, they think that now that what's going on is something related to the surgery I had back in March. They think that something happened and it's causing the pain and other things that I'm experiencing right now. Yeah, I got some horses here nearby. If that's what's going on, what they think's going on, it should be a simple fix, but it might be difficult locating the exact spot. So it might take some time to figure out exactly where the issue is and get it taken care of. But if it is that, there are things they can do to take care of it, and I should be able to get back to normal. Hopefully soon, hopefully before spring, in time to get back to rock hounding. Because if they take care of the problem, I should be back to normal, back out rock hounding, yay, everything good again. It's okay, I guess, that it's winter now as it's getting cold, because I still am not really able to rock hound. Physically, I should be able to have the stamina to do it, because it's not dangerous or life-threatening, but doing so irritates the problem, and it makes the next several days rough. So I've made the decision not to go out rock hounding, hopefully until they take care of the problem, just because of what it does to me the days after. But I should be up to rock cutting, so like I said, I'll have a rock cutting video for you guys hopefully soon. In addition to that, as it gets winter, I did look at the comments. I wanted to thank everybody for the wonderful love and support they've sent from the last video. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I didn't respond directly to them. But somebody did mention, hey, maybe you could do some unboxing. There might be some people out there, some subscribers who'd be willing to just send some stuff for me to unbox without, expecting me to send anything back. If you'd like to do that, I would love to do some unboxing videos. So if you'd like to, just send me an email. And if you don't know my email, it's theruggedrockhound@gmail.com, so pretty easy. And I'll send you my information and you can send me a box, and I'd love to do that. So if you're up for that, I'd love to do that. Thank you. And once again, thank you so much for your love and support as we're navigating this health issue. And hopefully over this winter, we'll get it taken care of. Until next time, I love all of you. Thank you so much. And remember, there's treasure everywhere.